Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to check video descriptions on YouTube. First, you just need to open your YouTube application and go to that video that you want to check the description for. Now you will find the more button here. Here it is. Now you can just tap on more button here, and from here this is you can find a paragraph. This is actually the description. You can just tap on see more button and you can find all the description that have added to this video. So from here you will find all the details about the video, some links and some social media links and some contribution, some citations. So that's how you can just easily find the video description on YouTube. So make sure that you have tap on this more button here, the tiny more button here, or on this title. So if you tap on this title here, then you will find this description. Here it is. Now tap on this more button and you will get that this section is expanded and you will find all the details and descriptions. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.